get a good one there. Turn him round.
Yeah.
You don't like it turning. You got your wind's tight, your sail's tight. It don't like to turn against it.
Soon loosen them up.
Nah. Just died, isn't it? A bit of wind, nothing there, is there?
It's all or nothing in this cove, isn't it?
Yeah, at the moment, yeah. Right, got it going again. There she goes. You all right there? Got it?
Yes, yes.
Oh, sun on that, isn't it?
Yeah. Looks nice in the sun.
Turn it for the wind out.
Oh, you're off.
Back's about right on the water.
Do you want it for sailing or do you want it for...
Compromise bit of both. A compromise bit of both.
Yeah.
Come on. Work! Work! So is this your son getting interested, is he?
You don't want to go.
What do you think of it so far?
Rubbish.
Come on, pick up. Don't forget, steam gives way to sail. It's tracking me, look. Got it in. Yeah, got it. One way or the other, one way or the other at the moment. That's it. Got a tack. Tired again. It's just just talks.
Always amazes me how one sail can get the wind and the other one
Doesn't yeah.
loses it.
Yeah.
Just freaky winds.
Got a bit coming up now. I can feel it. Got it. Look, got it right this time. Nothing again.
Can feel it over here.
Right?
Can feel the wind over here.
Yeah.
There you go.
I was going to cross that angle and it just wouldn't stop there.
That was you playing with it, Eric.
No. He can't turn. He doesn't turn. He just doesn't turn as quick. You can't get it round. Look, I mean, you do that. Look at the street it takes. He's turned on a button. It's the difference in that rudder size. That's all it is.
You caught on that bloody. What?
Oh, is it caught?
What to do? Just to go to that white boat. Wind might be.
Caught on the white boat. You caught on the... What's he caught on the cord, you reckon?
No, it's on that rod.
Oh, rod.
Yeah. The marker boy that's on an angle. I'll go to the other side of it.
Oh.
Go point towards the bow, just gentle. That's it, keep with it. Keep pushing.
Got it?
You're off. There you go. Just as well we've got a tugboat in attendance.
Oh, yeah.